Welcome to this video course on learning the GameMaker Studio 2 interface. I'm Nathan Orchard, a seasoned GameMaker user, and I'll be talking us through this course. In this course, we'll basically be learning all the main aspects of the GameMaker Studio 2 interface. This is going to give us a major head start when it comes to using GameMaker, as we'll have the knowledge to create resources, navigate the interface, and more. This course will be in a general order of use when it comes to GameMaker. We'll start in Volume 1. In the first section, we'll start on the Start page, as it's the first thing we see every time we open GameMaker Studio 2. From here, we'll move into the main interface and learn our way around all the initial visible aspects, breaking them into sections and going over each part. In the second section, we'll take a look at all the available resources in GameMaker and learn what each one is for. This will leave us knowing what tools we have available for use in our projects. For the third and final section of Volume 1, we'll check out some organization methods which will help us hugely when we begin making our own games in GameMaker Studio 2. We'll then move on to Volume 2. Section 1 of Volume 2 will be about sprites, GameMaker's image resource. We'll take a look at their main interface, learn how to import them, and also learn how to draw them using the in-engine image editor. Section 2 will be about objects. We'll go through the object interface and learn about how they work with regards to events and inheritance. We'll also take a brief look at the physics options available. In Section 3, we'll look at rooms, essentially the game screens of GameMaker Studio 2. We'll see their main interface, learn about layers, and how to place assets into our rooms. Finally, in Section 4, we'll look at tiles, an incredibly powerful graphical tool. We'll see their interface, how to create them, how to create tile brushes, and finally how to set up and use auto-tiling, an incredibly useful tool for tiles. For this course, all we'll need is a copy of GameMaker Studio 2. The free version is fine for this course, but keep in mind it has heavy restrictions on the amount of resources we can use, and also we can't export our game to share with the public. We can only test the game in the free version. With all that said, let's get started.